Hi there, welcome in guys. Today we've got something a little bit special that I really wasn't expecting to do this review either. This was a present that was given to me, so there's no sponsor here. It's the Suri toothbrush, electric toothbrush. So as you might know, I've just recently been away. I've been having some dental treatment done, which I'm really happy with. And I needed a way to look after my new gnashers. So my mum bought me this. I've got to say, I've opened it already. I've not used it yet. So this is going to be a bit of a split review. I'm kind of just going to do the unboxing right now. I'm going to talk through it, but I'm really actually impressed with this thing already. And I also know some of the results that my family have been getting, and because quite a few of us got these as presents. One of the main things to point out, this isn't really your usual techie kind of toothbrush. You're not going to find loads of, it's not a feature-rich toothbrush, you know, where it's giving you with pressure sensors and all that kind of jargon. I mean, most people, unless they're really fanatical about their teeth, you're probably not going to use all them features. There's kind of novelty features that would wear off after a while. Once you learn how to use your toothbrush, you're just going to keep using it. It's a mundane task that you do every morning, every evening. Usually you're kind of half awake or tired anyway, so you know what I mean, you don't want to be faffing around with Bluetooth and that. So this is a nice and simple thing, but the main thrust on this is that it's environmentally friendly. The company itself is actually already certified carbon neutral as well. And all the parts inside, the whole thing is designed to be easily repairable, not by your average DIY, but one of the technicians. And apparently, Suri are offering very, very cheap prices when you're talking about repairing these. So to start with, you kind of get a very Apple-esque kind of box, you know what I mean? Well, an outer package anyway, with the kind of white, grey on white writing, you know, that gives you a breakdown of all the little bits and bobs. So our first thing is soft, medium, plant-based head and bristles. So you can throw that away and it's not going to cause any damage to the environment. Happy days. You could put all the manual toothbrushes that are thrown away every year in a row and it would stretch around the globe 12 times. I don't know whether that's true or not. It's just something I heard. Next up, we've got a premium aluminium body design, and I really like this. It feels like it feels like an iPhone or something, you know what I mean? That kind of level of premium. Most people are not going to be thinking about putting an iPhone in the mouth, but I'm just saying it's got that feel about it. It feels clean, clinical. It's just nice. So it's been designed and tested with dentists with the standard user in mind. Keeping it simple, right? One of the features I really like is the UVC cleaning thing, and I'm going to take you through that as we go through the unboxing. 30-day battery life. I've heard that you get more than that, actually, closer to 45 days with a 4-hour quick charge. So yeah, all good stuff. I don't mind charging it once a month. 33,000 sonic vibrations per minute. I don't really know whether that's good or not, but it sounds pretty cool. And one thing that I kind of expected really anyway was the fully waterproof IPX7 certification. You need your toothbrush to be waterproof though, don't you? So here we have it. I've got a little side cam going on here. Let's get it out of the packaging. I'll show you what's going on here. I have actually already looked at it already. I've not really kind of played with it as such as we said, but let's have a look. So obviously you got that outer packaging there, very Apple-esque kind of outer packaging. Once you get inside, you can feel like it feels straight away you get into that, you know, they're trying to look after the environment kind of packaging. So we take this off. Now what I will say is I actually was going to do this review while I was away, but I didn't end up doing it, so it came with me in my travel bag and it kind of got thrown around a little bit. So you can see there some of the packaging that held that in place. That's not down to them, that was down to me taking it on holiday. But I do remember opening it first up and it was alright. Anyway, so first thing that comes out of the box, and I've got to say this is probably the most interesting thing out of it all. So they actually call this a travel case. Now, I'm probably actually going to use this as the main charger itself. I'll tell you why in a minute. They call this a travel case. Now, I thought there was a battery in here that would recharge it. At first, I was expecting too much, to be honest. You've actually got to plug a USB-C into the side there for this to work. But you don't only just get the charging capabilities. You see there's when you close that and you're charging, you press this little button here and it will actually clean the head using UVC rays. I don't know much about it, but I believe it kills 99% of bacteria. First opening the case, you're going to find the actual battery section of the, oh, can't get it out of there, of the Suri, sorry. Which is quite thin actually, pretty cool. It's got the brand in there if you can see. But yeah, quite light. But yeah, you can tell that's a chunk of aluminium. Feels nice. So going deeper into the box, we pull this piece off here. We've got a couple of little bits and bobs of information. I won't bore you with them. So we've got two other little boxes on the bottom here. Let's pull this tab up here. Let's see what's in this one. So in here we've got, oh, it looks like USBs. The USB-C, I reckon that's for the actual travel case itself, which we'll put there. And then we've got, oh yeah, so we've got an actual charging dock itself. Now, I've seen some reviews on this before, and this used to be a multi-functioning kind of thing. It used to be the charger, and it also used to be like a mirror mount, but they changed it. So now you get the mirror mount and you also get the USB charger as well. Sits on your desk. Let's have a look how that sits. Oh yeah, very nicely in there. Magnetically clamps. Obviously, I don't think that's going to last on a wobbly table or somewhere up high, so be careful with that one. But it does seem to get a good grab on it, but it's a very short base that, so be careful. Altogether at this point, I'm still pretty happy. I've got a charge station. I've got another little charging things. I've got options. I've got options with my charging, and we've also got that cleaning thing. Let's have a look in the next box. So we've got our first head, our first toothbrush head. So let's get this cracked open. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is like plastic. I was thinking this was going to be aluminium as well. This is plastics. I thought aluminium, they're going to be, I don't know. They're going to be pretty expensive heads if they're aluminium actually. But yeah, I know, I'm happy with that. You can tell it's got like a little groove in the top there. That's obviously for your tongue, cleaning your tongue. But yeah, that slides on there, pretty simple. Yeah, looks pretty groovy, right? Let's see what else is in this box, because there's something at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's right. Now we've got the mirror mount. Okay, so it's just a little kind of plaque with a groove on it. It's got a little sticker on the back. It tells you there it's mirror mount. And you'll stick that on your mirror in your bathroom, and that clips to it. How mint's that? Do you know what I mean? How mint's that? So yeah, I think I'm just inundated with options here. I don't know where to put my toothbrush first, whether it's in the box on the thing. I just love that. I absolutely love that. That's mint. Keeps it off the sink, away, nice and out the way. I just love that. Love that idea. So the toothbrush itself, pretty minimalistic design to be honest. You've got no screens or anything like that. You've got two modes. You've got the first mode, which is your normal clean, and then a secondary mode, which is like a polishing mode. So yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty simple. And at the minute, they're on offer, and so if you go onto the website, I believe you can get one of these for around £50 to £60/dollars. And in the grand scheme of things, I think it's pretty good. You know what I mean? Me being a tech guy, I obviously probably expect that I'd want Bluetooth and all them kind of things into my toothbrush. But I think some things should just actually be kept simple. And so for me, it's Suri. I'm going to do an in-depth review on how this cleans my teeth and all that kind of stuff. I just want to show my teeth off, really. I'll probably be dropping that over the next couple of days. But thank you for watching this review. I want to say that there was no kind of sponsorship here. This was a gift to me, which I was just so impressed with it that I thought it's got to go up on the reviews. If you've not already, please subscribe to the channel. It's really going to help me. I'm trying to get monetized right now. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.